This is a developmental network that determines whether or not spikes will be produced in a skin cell. The gene product S promotes the expression of P. P inhibits the expression of I. I inhibits the expression of K. K promotes the expression of E, and E promotes the expression of spikes. In the wild-type developmental network, S promotes the expression of P. P inhibits the expression of I, so I is not available to inhibit the expression of K. So K is expressed, and then K promotes the expression of E. E promotes the expression of spikes in the cell, so there will be spikes in the wild-type developmental network. Well, what if P is removed? If P is removed, then I cannot be inhibited, so I is expressed. If I is expressed, then K is inhibited. If K is inhibited, then it cannot promote the expression of E, and in turn, E cannot promote the expression of spikes, so no spikes will be produced. If I is removed, then I cannot inhibit the expression of K, so K is produced. K promotes the expression of E, and E promotes the expression of the spikes, so spikes are expressed. Well, what if I and E are both removed? Since I is upstream of E, it doesn't really matter if it's removed or not. All that matters is that E is not available. If E is not available, then spikes cannot be promoted, and spikes aren't expressed. If S and K are removed, it doesn't really matter if S is removed since it's upstream, so we focus on K. If K is removed, then it cannot promote the expression of E, so E would not occur. If E doesn't occur, then spikes cannot be expressed. P normally inhibits the expression of I. Let's say there's negative inducible gene regulation involved in the scenario. A repressor binds to the DNA, so transcription is turned off. An I is not expressed. An effector can come in and bind to the repressor. This changes the shape of the repressor, so it can no longer bind to the DNA. I is expressed in this case. An example I came up with involves the use of a face mask. The mask represses the ability of harmful bacteria from entering the environment. It can be induced by incorrect use of the mask, like say not covering your nose. Incorrect use stops the ability of the so-called repressor.